Hey, Woodworking Network. My name's Skylar. We are at the Closet Show in West Palm Beach. I'm here on behalf of Hessler Paint. We've been working with them for a number of years, and we're just doing some demos today. This is our 3x4 sanding system. We've got hooked up to our 8-gallon dust extractor, and we really can run this all the way from raw wood up to finished sealer sanding. We have a foam abrasive system. And when you're coming into, doing sealer sanding or getting into handrails or different areas where you want to conform to those different shapes, it is really helpful just with scuff sanding, removing some material. Right now we have a 10 millimeter pad set up, and you can do medium grits. We have pretty much medium all the way up to like a 220, which would be a little bit higher of a grit, like 220, 320. This is our 3x4, and we have it set up with the 8-gallon, like I was saying. It's all auto on-off, so when you actuate the sander, it'll kick that on. It's all HEPA filters. That bag is all HEPA, and you can really get into the different corners and the stiles and rails well when you compare it to something like the traditional 5-inch sander, which we also carry. We have, like I was saying, the foam abrasives. We also offer a more traditional, sandpaper. We have film, paper, and these interface pads. So if you're trying to remove a little bit more material, we can put it on a 1/2-inch interface pad like this, and you can conform to that radius or chair leg, whatever you're trying to really strip, and that helps remove product a heck of a lot more than the foam would.